Here we go up the mountain on the train. Whoop.
We have some unique names for them as well. The unique shapes and lines came from an erosion process. A bit different than the rock formations you would see in nearby Colorado Springs. Those are called potholes. That riled the crowd and no one laughed. Okay, all right. Rose Emma Falls. Some people believed it was named after two sisters that lived in this region, Rose and Emma. We've been lucky enough not to have a fire right here in this area in over 70 years. A wildfire, that is. Now, right on the 3-seat side are trees that are quite similar. Some might even say close to identical. These are called quaking aspens. And see as far as Kansas and Oklahoma. Modern scientists have said that the Arctic raven is as smart as a 7-year-old child. Listen to my spiel so far. That is quite all right. At this time, I need everybody's attention. Do I have everybody's attention? Yeah. Thank you, guys. All right, we are lucky enough that we get to make it to the summit of the mountain. The train might jerk a little bit. One more time, I need everybody to remain seated until you hear that train whistle sound. It might feel like we're at a complete stop, but until you hear that train whistle, that means those brakes are set. And please remain seated.
Highly recommend this.
Hey, I hope you got more jokes for us going down now. I got a few more going down. All right. I do.
That's crazy.